Peniad arall gan Lee Jenkins I drio ffeindio Matthew Jones. Jones yn ennill I nôl. Ac yn chwilio. John Owen i'r Alcorea. Allan i'r dde. Mae Rimmer yno. Jack Rimmer yn eich croesi he. Peniad gan John Owen! Ac mae Aberystwyth ar y blaen. Ar ôl 8 munud o chwarae. A John Owen. Mi sgoriodd o'r gol fuddigol yn ebyn y Seintiau Newydd. Yr wythnos dwytha. A fos di sgorio'r gol agoriadol. Hen yma hefyd. Elliot Evans yn dod I mewn. Yn ôl chwilio am le. Allan I Matthew Chubb. Mae hwnna gwiro. Ac oedd I ar y trawst. Dwi'm yn meddwl na dyna be oedd Matthew Chubb wedi fwriadu. Ond mi nath I groesiad o. Gwiro. Oedd I ar amddiffynwr. Ac ar y trawst. Lang. Troi'n dda fan hyn, Aberystwyth, Franklin sy'n ergydio. A mae dim ond just dros y trawst. Harry Franklin yn codi hwnna. Dwi ddim yn siŵr, oedd Alex Lang yn gwybod lle oedd hwnna'n mynd. Sabri sy'n cicio hwnna'n hir, mae di bownsio. Emlyn Lewis yn I methu hi, John Owen I methu hi hefyd. A Matthew Chubb. Wel, mae Franklin mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Franklin, a mae'r betiad gen y golwr Alex Lang. Achos mi oedd Franklin yn siŵr I fod o wedi sgorio yn fyna. Gwaith gwych I droi, agor I gorff. A tharo hi efo'i droed dde. A Lewis Rees. Yno i'r Met. Bale yn cael ei lledyn fan hyn. Price yn chwilio am gyfle I ergydio. Price yn ergydio, mae'n isel. Wel, cyfle gora y Met yn yr ail hanner.
We haven't beaten Cardiff Met in 8 games, so we wanted to turn that round. So we changed our formation because obviously when we play them, they have quite a lot of possession and they get in behind us quite a lot. So we changed our shape today, and it worked. I think first half we should have been out of sight. We had probably 2 or 3 great chances. But we didn't quite finish him. But fair play to John Owen. He's got his 2 in 2 now, which has been massive for us. But no, so happy with the boys. They put a massive shift in again today, and like you say, we're out of that relegation.
Aberystwyth, the second half, won the game without the ball, and credit to them. We just got to be better in what we do. We've got to make sure that we have accountability and responsibility, and we have that in training. But it seems to be missing in games at the moment, and it's costing us dearly because nearly every year we've been in the World Premier League, we drop into some kind of bad form, and we're in that rut at the moment. But we've showed experience over the years to get out of it. We'll do it again. It's just about working harder in training and making sure in games that we switched on, we're concentrating so that we can see danger early, and once you see danger early you're able to deal with it.
John, gol fuddigol am yr ail wsos yn olynol.
Yndi, mae'n fod yn wsos dda fi, fod yn onast, ond eto mae'r perfformiad gynolgad I fod yn different class I fod yn onast, mae pawb wedi gweithio'n galed a dyn ni wedi heiddi 2 gêm dwytha, felly na, mae hogiau gyd hapus yn ystafell newid.